In the rapidly advancing field of gene therapy, reducing manufacturing cost and improving vector quality, all with a scalable manufacturing process, are crucial for therapeutic success. Traditional methods of manufacturing adeno-associated virus often involve complex, time-consuming processes with variable outcomes. Today, we'll explore the Gibco AAV-MAX AAV production system, an optimized, scalable system that transforms how researchers approach AAV production. This all-in-one system consisting of cells, media, a transfection kit, and buffers helps deliver high viral titers in 72 hours. We have selected these components through extensive DOE studies, followed by rigorous validation of performance, in turn reducing development costs and helping accelerate speed to market. What makes this system truly exceptional is its cost-effectiveness and scalability. The high viral titers enable the production of more therapeutic doses per manufacturing run, significantly reducing the cost per dose. Additionally, the system supports an easy transition from research to process development through clinical and commercial manufacturing with both RUO and GMP grade reagents, or CTS offerings available that can scale to large volume bioreactors. Researchers can maintain workflow consistency while meeting stringent requirements at each phase, reducing costly method transfers. Let's discover how this platform accelerates gene therapy development from laboratory to clinic. The foundation of successful AAV production begins with cell culture preparation using Gibco Viral Production Cells 2.0. These suspension-adapted cells are specifically designed for growth robustness, scalability, and high-titer AAV production. The critical success factor here is maintaining cells in early log phase growth by subculturing viral production cells 2.0 every 3 to 4 days when the viable cell density reaches between 4 and 6 million cells per milliliter. This range helps ensure optimal transfection conditions and prevents the reduced yields associated with use of late log phase cultures. Transfection represents a critical step in AAV production. The AAV-MAX system simplifies this traditionally complex step with pre-optimized reagent ratios and robust, scalable protocols. On the day of transfection, determine VPC 2.0 cell density and viability using an automated cell counter or hemocytometer. Subculture the VPC 2.0 cells in viral production medium to a final cell density of 3 million viable cells per milliliter and place flask into a temperature-controlled incubator set at 37 degrees Celsius with a humidified atmosphere of 8% carbon dioxide, maintained under agitation on an orbital shaker platform. After seeding, prepare for transfection by placing componentry needed for transfection, consisting of the AAV-MAX transfection reagent and booster, AAV plasmid DNA mix, viral plex complexation buffer, and AAV-MAX enhancer in the biological safety cabinet. You are now ready to prepare complexation reaction. First, plasmid DNA consisting of a transfer plasmid containing our gene of interest, the packaging plasmid providing AAV proteins, and the helper plasmid supplying adenoviral functions is diluted in Gibco viral plex complexation buffer. Next, in a separate container, the AAV-MAX transfection reagent and booster are combined at a 2:1 ratio, mixed by gentle mixing, and added to the tube containing DNA and viral plex complexation buffer. The two mixtures are mixed gently by inversion or pipetting, and transfection complexes are allowed to form for 20 to 30 minutes while stationary at room temperature. Complete mixing of components and proper incubation time are crucial for achieving optimal transfection efficiency and high-titer AAV production. Finally, the AAV-MAX enhancer is added at the time of transfection to further boost AAV titers, and the flask is placed back in the incubator. Following 72 hours of production, we proceed to harvest our recombinant AAV using the specially formulated AAV-MAX lysis buffer. This proprietary buffer efficiently releases viral particles from the host cells while maintaining viral integrity and infectivity. The harvested crude lysate contains our valuable AAV vectors, ready for downstream purification or direct titer determination. The final step involves quantifying our viral titer using quantitative PCR analysis with our Applied Biosystems QuantStudio qPCR system. From bench to bioreactor, the Gibco AAV-MAX AAV production system helps provide the scalable, cost-effective and reliable foundation your viral vector production demands. This is further supported by the system's widely used success in clinical trials. Thermo Fisher Scientific is a reliable collaborator with an exceptional global GMP supply chain and experience in meeting the regulatory, technical and quality needs of AAV gene therapy developers.